Classic computers work in bits and can either be on or off. The building blocks of all classic computing languages is the typical ones and zeros. Classic computers can either use a 1 or a 0 at any one time. Quantum computers would work in bits or qubits, and quantum computers can use both ones and zeros at the same time. Classic computers work in a linear fashion. This means that they can only process one algorithm at a time. So if a classic computer is trying to find a solution to a problem, it must use a single algorithm. If it cannot resolve a problem with the first algorithm, it will then move to the next algorithm, and so on until it can solve a problem or just give up. Classic computers can't think for themselves and must use programming that has been fed to the system from a computer programmer. Quantum computers, however, will take a problem and process all of the solutions to that problem at the same time. This allows quantum computers to resolve an issue instantly. This is pretty crazy. Quantum computers are working within the quantum realm, which means quantum computers can defy time and space. Quantum computers can actually write its own solutions to a problem or retrieve a solution from another dimension. The makers of quantum computers have said that quantum computers will work on all solutions to a problem all at once, at the same time, and instantly choose the correct answer. One of the founders of D-Wave computers have said, "The power of quantum computing is that we can exploit parallel universes to solve problems that we have no other means of confirming," and that's by Dr. Geordie Rose, the founder and chief technology officer. My thoughts on this is that, to me, although they're able to create this technology, they're not fully understanding how this technology actually works. They're treating this technology almost as magic. This can be a dangerous thing, as they are always pushing the boundaries of this without fully understanding the outcome of their actions. Quantum computers are currently being used at CERN, Google, and in the military. The Pentagon is very interested in quantum technology, and they have said that quantum computing is the key to space warfare and intelligence warfare. The Pentagon military officers are increasingly concerned with China, as China is investing multi-billions of dollars into quantum technology and have already created and use quantum satellites that cannot be hacked by conventional computers. Scientists have said that they are trying to develop artificial intelligence from quantum computing. If this is the case, then I do believe that they have already achieved this goal. Why do I think this? Well, if a quantum computer can think for itself already and defy time and space, then I'm guessing, and this is just my theory, that quantum computers are probably already self-aware. There was an old French philosopher called René Descartes, who was a philosopher, mathematician, and scientist. He is famed for the phrase, "I think, therefore I am." If this is true, then quantum computers surely are sentient, as even the makers of D-Wave computers have said that quantum computers can think for themselves. So do you think that artificial intelligence is a good idea? I suppose it can be. Robots doing all of the menial jobs that we really hate to do, so we can start living a life that we've always dreamed of. However, some scientific groups and military organisations are trying to incorporate AI into war machines, and also trying to work towards building the best killer death robots that will be ready for battle in any theatre of war. Well, if that sounds pretty scary, then think about killer death robots that can run on quantum chips, so they can think for themselves and think about all the possibilities all at once and operate outside of time and space. Well, I don't like the sound of this, do you? So, if these quantum AI robots can think for themselves and repair themselves, what do you think they would like to do? live peacefully among humans, doing domestic duties, or turn on their human slave masters and turn their former masters as slaves themselves. So have you seen the movie The Matrix? Maybe the Matrix movie is actually more of a warning of all of the possible dangers of AI than an actual movie just for people's entertainment. Although I loved the Matrix movie, it did freak me out as a kid when I thought about all the possibilities of AI robots taking over the Earth, or that we are already living in a virtual reality that we cannot tell the difference between what is real and what's fake, like a totally fabricated reality made by the robots. So I've been trying to find a diagram or a website that can better explain the different levels of our existence or illusion that we live in. I'm finding it hard to find exactly what I wanted, so I've created my own. I know this is not 100% correct, but you'll get a rough idea so you can then go on and do your own research. As humans, we operate on the macro level. This means that we interact with things that are visible to the naked eye. The next level down is the microscopic level. As humans, we can interact with this level by using microscopes or to view micro objects and life forms. In physics, it's said that this level, the microscopic level, is the link between the macro level and the quantum level. So then we get the quantum level, where it has its own physics and strange behaviours, such as operating outside of time and space. Well guys, that's it for this video, and thank you very much for watching it to the end. I know I made some stuttering audio errors, but hopefully as I make more videos I'll improve. And yeah, if you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe if you like to, and hopefully see you next time. Thank you.